Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to turn old jeans into a trendy maxi skirt. I think this is a perfect way to give your old jeans a second life. And besides, it's so simple. So let's get into this tutorial. First, we need to remove the seam on the inside of the leg. I will use seam ripper for that. You can just cut it with scissors, up to you. Then we open the front from the crotch to just below the fly. And we remove the back crotch all the way up from the butt to the waist. We also remove the waistband with a belt loop, just a few centimeters to the sides. And then we cut the waistband right in the middle. I lay my jeans right sides together and pin them. Now I'm drawing a line along which I will make a stitch. I remove a few centimeters from the waist so that the skirt fits better. I also get rid of that back crotch area. You can pin it in place and try on the skirt to make sure if it fits. Then I do a straight stitch from top to bottom. I cut off the excess, leaving 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. I'm finishing the seam allowance edge on the overlocker. You can finish it with a zigzag stitch or just leave it as is. Now I want to make a decorative stitch. It's optional, but it will give the skirt a finished look. I have a matching denim thread, and I just make 2 parallel stitches 4 millimeters apart. If your waistband goes in one strip, fold the ends of the waistband right sides together and make a straight stitch. If your waistband consists of 2 parts, then first sew the front parts of the waistband together, then the back, and only after that sew it all together. From the waistband, I remove the amount I have removed from the actual band, so that the waistband will line up evenly. Now I cut off the edges and top stitch the waistband. Then I attach the waistband to my jeans. Now it's time for the front and we're almost done. First of all, I finished the edges of the front on the overlocker. I lay the front crotch on top of the other side and pin it. Starting from the bottom, I make 2 parallel stitches to the top. I decided that I didn't like the way the bottom looked, so I cut it off. Then I finished it on the overlocker, folded the edge by 2 cm and made a straight stitch. And our skirt is done. I'm in love with the result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below if you enjoyed this tutorial and see you in the next videos.